Dear students, best of my greetings and warm wishes for your success in pre-university examination. At the very outset, let me first introduce myself that I am Professor K.R. Iqbal Ahmed, formerly Pro Vice Chancellor and Registrar of Central University, Hyderabad. I have been associated with BET Degree Sadatun-Nisa College for Women since its inception. It is one of the leading colleges of the city of Bangalore. Friends, those of you who have passed out of the PUC course recently have got a biggest challenge, that is selecting a good college and pursue your studies. Today, friends, you are aware that Bangalore is an internationally known city of knowledge, which is a center of learning, hub of institutions with huge and palatial buildings, big complexes, infrastructure, labs, and so on. But what is more important for you is to find out which college has qualified teachers, a faculty which cares for the growth and overall development of the student personality. In BET, we have a set of selfless teachers. Teachers, according to me, a teacher is a guru. A guru is one who dispels darkness and creates light. And here are teachers who are selfless, teachers who are the friends, philosophers, and guides of the student, and teachers are like your sisters, like your brothers. They care for you, they care for your progress, prosperity, and so on. Today, the world is fast moving. 21st century is a knowledge century. We know India is fastest growing economy in the world, and we in India care for our youngsters because 65% of the total population of India is young India. Friends, BET Women's College has got a lot of infrastructure. It has the state-of-art computers lab. It has well-equipped library. Most importantly, it has all the modern technological equipments, and therefore you have to make a selection of this college for your well-being, for your welfare, because ultimately quality will sustain, quality will be rewarded. And therefore you have to have the caring faculty members who have, besides being faculty members, they care for your value system, they care for service to humanity, they care for service to mankind ultimately. Besides administrative or academic activities, BET Degree College also encourages extracurricular activities like sports, literary competitions, NSS, and so on. Today, PUC level is a turning point in anybody's life. You know, friends, when once you take up admission in a college, you should never look back. And BET will not only helps you to become a graduate, but enables you to become a good human being through your character. As I said, 65% of the Indian population is young India. The country wants you, the nation wants you, the society, your community, your college, and ultimately humanity wants you. Therefore, you should become able graduates, employable graduates. Hence, make the right, reasonable, and rightful choice of the college, that is BET Degree College. Friends, don't be under the impression that only professionals like the lawyers, doctors, and engineers will lead a successful life. No, not at all. You have a lot of opportunities. Graduates, BA graduates, BCom graduates, BCA graduates, BBA graduates, and others, you have a lot of opportunities, because according to me, sky is the limit for you. If you do your PG program, you can become lecturers. If you do BCom, you can be chartered accountant. If you do law, you can become a lawyer. And besides that, we have umpteen number of opportunities in competitive examinations like Karnataka Administrative Service, KAS, IAS, IPS, IES, IRS, Indian Railway Service, Indian Revenue Service, IPS, IES, IRS, Indian Railway Service, Indian Revenue Service. Like that, a host of opportunities are before you. Only thing is, you should work hard. Hard work is the only way to come up in life, to come up in flying colors. And through this, you should be able to come up in life. And when we look at our past graduates of BET Degree College, we will be very happy, very delighted to find out that many of them are doing exceedingly good work. Many of them have secured good jobs. While appreciating and congratulating all of them, I welcome all those PUC past students into the fold or into the family of BET. And on this occasion, I take the opportunity of requesting you to take care of yourselves. Do take care of yourself. Your health and your safety and security is very important. God bless you in every endeavor of yours. Thank you very much for listening.